Welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you've joined me today as we're diving into an essential product that can enhance any workspace, whether you're in a medical office, tattoo parlor, or even a home studio. Today, we're looking at the Rolling Stool with wheels, designed for comfort, durability, and versatility. So, if you've been searching for the perfect stool to support your long hours at the desk or during procedures, stick around to find out if this could be the right fit for you. The Rolling Stool with wheels comes with a few standout features, so let's break them down. First, let's talk about the cushion. Unlike many other stools on the market that promise comfort with their thin 2 to 3 inch cushions, this one really delivers with a thick 4.7-inch cushion made from high-quality leather. It's designed to offer a more genuine level of comfort, not just a quick fix. You can expect a solid seating experience that lasts for hours. Plus, the cushion is scratch-resistant, which means it should hold up well over time. Another feature that caught my attention is the super quiet and smooth wheels. This stool uses top-tier wheels that glide seamlessly across various floor types, from hardwood to tile, without making any annoying noise. It's a small detail, but when you're moving around a lot, it really makes a difference in maintaining a peaceful environment. Now, the stool has a golden height adjustability range. You can easily adjust it from 19.8 inches to 25 inches, which works well for people from about 5 feet to 6.1 feet tall. This range ensures that the stool is suitable for various settings, whether you're in a dental clinic, tattoo shop, salon, or even a classroom. The versatility of this height adjustment really adds to its appeal. As for durability, the Rolling Stool with wheels features a heavy-duty aluminum base. This base is a big upgrade over cheaper metal options, as it's smoother and resistant to damage. Plus, it offers stability with a weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, which is impressive for a stool in this category. When it comes to assembly, this product is incredibly user-friendly. No tools are needed, and with clear instructions, you'll have the stool set up and ready to use in about 2 minutes. Now, if you're wondering about customer support, the brand has been in the stool business for over 10 years, so they have a solid track record. They promise a quick response within 24 hours if you have any concerns or issues, which gives some peace of mind when purchasing. If this review has helped you decide, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that others looking for a rolling stool like this can easily find this video too. Moving into the pros and cons. Pros. The thick cushion is definitely a major plus for comfort, and the quiet wheels are a game changer if you need a calm, professional environment. The height adjustability is great, and the sturdy aluminum base provides a lot of security and durability. It's also quick to assemble, which is always a bonus. Cons? One downside is that, while the cushion is thick, it might be a bit on the firm side for those who prefer softer seating. Additionally, it's designed to support up to 450 pounds, which is fantastic, but it might feel a little too sturdy or unyielding for individuals who are looking for more of a plush, cushy feel. As for value for money, the Rolling Stool with wheels is priced appropriately for its quality. You're getting a well-built stool that checks all the boxes for comfort, durability, and practicality, especially considering its easy setup and versatility across various professional settings. When compared to other stools in the market, many competitors offer thinner cushions or less adjustable height ranges. This one stands out with its extra thick cushion, smooth rolling, and sturdy base, which justifies the slightly higher price point if you're after a more professional, long-lasting option. In summary, the Rolling Stool with wheels is a solid choice if you're looking for a reliable, comfortable stool for professional settings. Its thick cushion, smooth wheels, and adjustable height make it a versatile option for a variety of work environments. It does have a firmer cushion, so keep that in mind if you're after something softer. But if you need something durable, easy to set up, and ready for the long haul, this stool is worth considering. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you're interested in the stool, you can find the link in the comments box below. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask questions if you've already tried it. Goodbye till next time, and remember to keep it beautyistic, where comfort meets quality.